Good day, sir, madam. My name is Sonia Crela, 26 years old, Filipino. I'm single, born-again Christian. I have one brother and one sister, and I am the second in the family.
Okay, and experience taking care of your own brother and sisters?
Yes, sir, madam. Taking care of my brother, giving them food, playing with them.
Okay, if the children get sick, how to handle?
I will tell to my employer and give them first aid.
Do you know how to cook?
Yes, sir, madam. I know how to cook Filipino dish like adobo, sinigang, kare-kare, and I'm willing to learn Chinese food.
Okay, so if you make a mistake, what to do?
Yes, sir, madam. I will say sorry and I will promise that I will not do it again.
How would you describe your character?
Yes, sir, madam. Hardworking, patient, trustworthy, and responsible.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir, madam. I want to work in Hong Kong to earn to my future and support to my family.
Thank you so much, Miss Crelia, and hope to see you soon in Hong Kong.
Yes, sir, madam. Thank you.